guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I am Cara J. Here we get into everything beauty, fashion, lifestyle related with a couple vlogs here and there. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn on your post notification bell, that way you don't miss an upload from me. Today's video, you guys, I am so excited. I'm finally going to pull my phone out of the box and finally be able to use it. It's literally been sitting around for a little bit, like a week, maybe a week and some change, because I've been waiting for my cases to come in so that I can show you guys some cases that I also got for it. I'm still waiting on a few more cases to come, but once those come in, I do plan on doing a case collection for you guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, like this video so I know to create that video for you guys. Apparently this is the type of video you guys like, because when I did my unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro, that's like the most viewed video on my channel and it got so many likes. So I'm assuming this is the type of video you guys want to see. And yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone 13. I'm going to switch the camera around, that way you guys can get a better look at the phone. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, you guys, so here is the phone. Like I said, I'm really excited just to pull it out the box, set it up and everything. I love getting new phones and just like having the fresh start. But yeah, I'm really excited. And unfortunately, this isn't a full unboxing, and that's because the guy that sold me the phone at my carrier store, he actually opened the phone, opened the box, and put the SIM card in. So I was very frustrated about that, but it is what it is. I mean, I can't do anything about it now. So I'm still going to go through it with you guys and show you what it looks like in the box and everything. Okay, so he did go ahead and give me this bag. It's a huge bag for a little phone, but let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, so, oh, it's upside down. Here is the phone, and she is so pretty. Like the pink color, they did perfect. Apple did perfect on the color. I don't know, that's just how I feel. I feel like they did good on the color. Some people seemed like they were upset about the color looking close to white, but it's really like muted, pale, like a pale pink. But yeah, this is the box. It just shows you the phone you got. Like this one has 2 cameras, and then it also shows you the color you got. On the side it says Apple, and then it has the Apple logo in whatever color phone you got. And then you open the top and the phone is right there, the first thing you see. So yeah, she is really cute. So I like how they designed the cameras this time, how it's diagonal. Alright, so let's take her out the box. In the box you get the cable. Just like last year, you don't get the charging brick, but you do get the little cable. And then it comes with the pamphlet designed by Apple in California. Just a little pamphlet to tell you about the phone. Honestly, I don't read these. I don't think I'll ever read these, so that's always just trash. But I really needed a new, matter of fact, let me take this out the box. I really needed a new cable, so I'm excited to get a fresh new cable. The cable that I do have for my previous phone, honestly, it just like cracked on me, but it does not charge all the time. Sometimes it wants to charge, sometimes it don't. So a new cable is definitely needed. Okay, so here's the phone, you guys. Like I said, is like this really pale pink color, and she is just cute. She's giving everything she needs to be giving. She fits so good in the hands. It's the same size as my other phone, which is the 12 Pro. I no longer have the 12 Pro Max, you guys, and that's because I lost that phone about a month after I filmed my unboxing video. I got on the website to order another phone. They didn't have that exact phone in stock. It was actually back ordered, so I just figured to go ahead and get the 12 Pro because it's the same phone, and I knew I was gonna upgrade to the newest phone. Mind you, this was before the new phone had came out, but the silver color was like the most popular color last year, I guess. So yeah, I now have the 12 Pro, but they're the same size, you guys, so I love that. Let's go ahead and turn the phone on. And there's the Apple logo. Sorry, you guys might see a glare from my ring light. I don't know how to film to where you can't see that kind of stuff, but you know, I'm still new at this and I'm still learning. It's awkward angles, you guys, but hopefully it doesn't blind you with that bright ass light. Okay, so yeah, it's just giving you hello in different languages. You guys already know. If you know, you know. Like I said, the guy already opened the box, turned the phone on, and put the SIM card in. So I definitely didn't get to set it up. So we're going to do that together. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part because it's really, really boring, you guys. Okay, you guys, so it is actually a few days later. I had to do an update on this phone, and that update was going to take 4 hours, and I just didn't have 4 hours to wait. I actually had to go get my nails done. As you can see, my nails are a different color. And as you guys know, Mother's Day was a couple days ago, so I just been really busy with that, and I didn't get to show you guys how I end up customizing my phone. So I wanted to get back on camera to show you that, and also show you some cases that I picked up for it. So yeah, this is my iPhone 13 in pink, as I showed you guys before. And this is the lock screen that I decided to go with, and it says, "We do not grow inside of our comfort zone." And I actually love this quote. This is actually my quote for 2020. I just feel like I need to get more out of my comfort zone. So yeah, hopefully it's showing up on camera. It's like a brown background, and I actually made this on Canva. So this is my home screen, and I actually use a couple different apps, and the apps that I use is Widgetsmith, which is like these icons right here. And then I also use Canva. Canva, I believe, does have an app you can download on your phone, but I use Canva on my computer. I use Canva to create icons like these, like the phone icon, the message icon, and the FaceTime icon. So those are the icons that I have at the bottom. I also use Shortcut, the Shortcut app, which comes on the phone. There's plenty of YouTube videos you can go on or search like aesthetic home screen or something like that to find how to step by step, you know, use these apps. But I'm not going to get into depth on how to do that. I just simply want to show you guys what my home screen is looking like. I am very picky on what my home screen looks like. One, I like it to be as minimal as possible, and that way I can find the app that I'm looking for right away. And two, I like it to be organized. And three, I like it to be aesthetically pleasing. So I definitely want to incorporate pink into the home screen, because pink is my favorite color, and of course the phone is pink, so I wanted to incorporate that. And then brown, neutral colors have been my absolute favorite colors, and I just think that pink and brown go really well together. So pink and brown is the colors that I wanted to go for on this phone. But yeah, then you swipe over, and I wanted to show you guys this little area of the phone. I actually don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's called the search, because you see the search bar up here, but I call it the news feed. I also like to customize this section of the phone. So I do have a battery widget here, and then I have a to-do list, which this is an app. It's called the to-do list app, and it looks like this right here. And I actually love using that app on my phone, just in case I want to put like a grocery list or to-do list or something like that on my phone. So I love to have that app there. And then right now it's just a couple blank icons, and honestly, this is probably going to change. Didn't really customize this the way I really wanted to customize it. I wanted to add some photos in and different things like that, so this will change, but for now this is how I have it. And yeah, back to my home screen, you guys. So yeah, I have all the apps that I use the most on my home screen, and like I said, I don't like my home screen to be too cluttered, so I don't have like a bunch of screens that I can just scroll through. Sometimes I have 2 screens, sometimes I have 1, but right now I just decided to do 1. That way I have all the apps that I use the most, and then I have a quote, and then the time. I definitely like to see the time bigger, and the date, like the full date. Here I have the weather. So yeah, with this middle widget, it says love yourself, and I go on Pinterest sometimes and get different photos and things like that to add to my phone. So you can always use Pinterest as well, but I love Pinterest, you guys. Not only do I go on there to look at aesthetically pleasing photos to add to my home screen, I just scroll through Pinterest to find inspo pictures, like inspo pictures for my nails and different things like that. So I absolutely love Pinterest, and of course I do have Pinterest here as one of my favorite apps, probably an app that I use every day, so it's definitely on my home screen. So yeah, that's a quick overview of what my phone is looking like. That's how I decided to customize it. I have these different tones of like browns and different tones of like mauves and pinks. I really love how it turned out. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long by getting into depth on how to customize your phone. Honestly, this is not really a tech channel. I just like to unbox things and unbox them on camera for you guys. So yeah, YouTube comes in handy for when you want to see something before you buy it. Next, I'm going to show you some cases that I got for the phone. These cases I've been waiting for like a week. Okay, so the first case that I got is this pink case. It has the Louis Vuitton print engraved in the case, and I just love how simple this case is, but also how girly it is. It also has a gold logo, Louis Vuitton logo at the bottom. So yeah, I thought this case was really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like on the phone. So that's how it looks on the phone. Very cute and girly. I know they have other colors that you can choose from, but pink is my favorite color, so I had to go with the pink. But yeah, this looks really cute. Okay, you guys, so the next phone case that I have is this really cute one right here. I think this was probably my favorite out of all 3 cases that I picked up. This is also pink, and then it has the Louis Vuitton engraved inside the case, and it's like a darker pink. And then it has this handle right here, which I love cases like this. I have the handle. You can just hold your phone like this. It's like having a pop socket, but you know, it's actually a little handle. But it is like the regular brown Louis Vuitton print, and then it has this gold detail. This case, I felt like I needed it because, you know, I've never seen a case like this, and it's just different and cute and girly. And then it also goes with my theme of my phone, which is like pink and browns. So I really love this case, and it comes with this. I really don't know what this is, you guys, but it comes with that. I'm probably gonna just cut that off, but let me show you guys what it looks like on the phone. Yeah, they just snap on. They're the type of cases that just snap on, and then you can see that the top is open and then the bottom's open. So it's not that protective, but you know, I'm okay with that because I don't use these type of cases every day. I feel like this is the one I'm probably gonna go with. I don't know, y'all. I like this one. This is like my favorite one. I haven't seen a case like this. And you guys, if I remember the name of the sellers, because I did throw away all the packaging, but if I do remember the sellers' names, I'll go ahead and link them down below. I do sell designer luxury inspired cases as well. If you're interested, my shop website will be down below. That's what that case is looking like. next case that I got is this one, which is pretty much like the same colors as the last case, but it has the Louis Vuitton print up top, and then it has the pink at the bottom, and then it also has like a gold logo at the bottom. This is actually a card case, so you could put like 1 or 2 cards here in the slot. And I like that because sometimes I don't like taking a full purse or a full wallet in the store with me. I just want to put my cards in there and then, you know, have my phone with me. So I love cases like this. It's also the same type of concept with this case. It just snaps on like so, and then it has the opening, the phone exposed on the top and the phone exposed at the bottom. So you have, like I said, you have to be really careful with these type of cases, but they're cute. I mean, why wouldn't you want to rock these cases sometimes? They're really, really cute. And I'll probably say cute a million times, but how else are you supposed to describe pink girly things? Like, it's just so cute. Yeah, that is this case, and I really, really like it. So yeah, these are the 3 cases that I picked up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it's all over the place, but I wish that I didn't have to wait for the update on the phone, or I would have just filmed the video all the way through. But of course I had to wait for that update, and with that update being so long, I had other things to do, guys. I hope you guys get the point, and I do appreciate every single one of you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not subscribed to my channel. And I appreciate the support thus far. You guys have really been watching my videos and liking, commenting. I like to interact with you guys, so thank you for all the support. And until next time, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.